6:17 is the time. There is a brand new national report that shows very little change in home sales. This is because of high mortgage rates and high prices on a lot of homes that are keeping Americans on the sidelines.
So what does this mean for the mid-state? Fox 17 News' Madeline Nolan joining us live right now after talking with a local realtor about how the market compares.
Good morning. Experts say that this market isn't frozen here the way it is in other parts of our country, but things have shifted and local sellers are having to adapt to a slower pace and more competition. According to the National Association of Realtors, existing home sales in the U.S. stayed largely flat last month, and high mortgage rates, now hovering around 7%, are part of the reason why. But here in Middle Tennessee, the market's still moving, just not as fast as it once was.
Our market has kind of over the last couple of years been shifting, right? If you think back to the feeding frenzy we had in the early 2020s, we're definitely not there anymore. And it has been a slow and steady shift.
Gallatin says that Davidson County saw a 45% jump in months of housing supply compared to last year, with total inventory up 21%. But at the same time, closings dropped 13% and listing prices dipped by about 6%. It's a sign that sellers now have to compete more, while buyers may be sitting out waiting for all of these rates to fall. And in Nashville, taxes could also be a factor. Gallatin says that surrounding cities are attracting buyers looking for lower prices and property taxes, especially after council approved a new budget with a tax hike. Now, Gallatin says that while we may see a slowdown in growth within Davidson County, investment and tourism projects could pick up the slack. She says the big question isn't whether growth will continue, but how the city can manage it in a smarter, more sustainable way. Live in the studio, I'm Madeline Nolan, Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.